Every minute an employee can't work burns about 67 cents straight off the payroll. That loss stacks fast across a team. Brad Connert from Gamma Tech Services said that a structured IT support system turns technical chaos into clear steps for both teams and customers. Many businesses still treat every tech issue the same, and that slows everything down. Tiered IT support fixes that problem by routing issues to the right people. Tier 0 gives users quick self-service tools. They reset passwords, check billing details, and follow guides without waiting on anyone. This cuts down the number of basic tickets that clog the system. Tier 1 handles simple human support. These are the first people users speak to. They set up accounts, help with device issues, and escalate problems when needed. Strong Tier 1 teams cut delays and protect higher tiers from overload. Tier 2 steps in when the issue needs deeper technical knowledge. They fix software bugs, handle back-end settings, and answer complex product questions. Their documentation supports the entire structure. Tier 3 deals with high-level problems that carry real business impact. They run root cause analysis, fix critical errors, and guide long-term stability. Their work keeps downtime from spreading. Tier 4 brings in vendors when a system needs outside expertise. This covers warranties, proprietary software, and specialized hardware. These tiers only work if each role is clear. Weak handoffs, poor training, and missing self-service resources slow everything down. When the structure supports your workflow, your team moves faster, users get answers sooner, and your operations stay steady. You can read the full article on our website and add this to your playlist.